So the last two principles of OOPS is inheritance and polymorphism. Inheritance means I use the same sap.m.button class in my program, okay, and I will extend that class in order to have a custom property. So this is called inheritance. Inheritance means getting the getting the properties and methods from the superclass, and then I am going to use or add additional methods or properties inside of it. So that is called inheritance. So this button class is there in SAP, provided by SAP, but to my usage I need an additional property called something like graphical chart kind of thing. The requirement is like that. So in order to create a new variable like property, I am using this concept called inheritance. So here inheritance will be covered. And polymorphism, what is meant by polymorphism? One button is having different names or having not different names, maybe in different shapes, I can say, based on the page. Like suppose if it is successful, then the button is shown in green color. If it is um, wrong, something wrong in that, means the approval, whenever you gives whenever you submit something for any leave, vacation, or for anything leave. So if they approved it, then it will be shown in green color. If they disapprove your leave, then it will show in red color. Or if the same button is placed in somewhere, it is shown in with a different text. So polymorphism means the same thing, it will be present in multiple forms. Okay, poly means many, and many, the same one in different forms. Okay, that is called polymorphism. Now coming to the general example, suppose the polymorphism, I am acting as a, means i am I am a brother, I am a father, I am a son. Like I am the single entity, but I am having multiple roles based on the place or based on the relation. Okay, even I am called as an employee to an organization. So same object or same entity having different names, that is called polymorphism. Okay, so inheritance means in general words we usually get the assets from our ancestors, right? So that is called inheritance concept. We are inheriting something from our ancestors, and either we develop it or we can do whatever we want. Okay, but this is called inheritance concept, getting something from our ancestors or forefathers or from our fathers. That is called inheritance. Encapsulation means your properties. Okay, I have certain property, and my other employee is having separate different properties, and we don't want to exchange this information, we are hiding this information. And but when we are working together, we just work this information because these are all not relevant. Okay, so this is called encapsulation in general terms. Coming to abstraction, when we want to achieve something, when we want to create something, everyone has their own perspective in designing of the application. So I suggest something and they suggest something, and finally which one is best, that we will do it, right? So the same way the functionality of the tool, whenever we are designing something, right, it should be effective and efficient. So abstraction is nothing but getting multiple ideas. Abstraction is always about designing of an idea, or designing is nothing but the best functionality we can provide based on the uh, current resources or based on the existing technology. So abstraction is nothing but giving multiple things, but finally we are able to give the clear picture of that functionality. Like I said, right, the software helps to record the session. So abstraction does the same. Whenever someone asks, that tells about the functionality. Encapsulation means, I told you, we are hiding the details from within the technical. Okay, within the technical, when we are building the app, hiding the data and the methods from one component to another component, because nobody want it. Just if you want to modify it, you just use that class and then call that property and then assign a new variable. That's it. I hope you understand this oops concept a bit better. Just give your comments in the video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video.